everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall YouTube TV. So it depends which TV you are using because the steps may vary from TV to TV, but in most of the times the installation process is same. So if you are using Fire Stick, you just have to follow these steps. Like you need to go to the settings on your Fire TV device and then select applications option. After that, you need to select manage installed applications, and then you need to select the application that you want to uninstall, which in our case is YouTube TV. So you will have to simply click on the uninstall option and wait for some time until it shows you that your program is uninstalled successfully. You can even follow further on screen instructions that are prompted in front of you to successfully uninstall your YouTube TV from your Fire Stick. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.